I swear, in all my years, I've never seen a cuter couple.
She's a cool cookie now, isn't she, Pop?
What do you mean now? Betty's always been a peach.
You're making me blush, Archie.
Hey, I'm a lucky cat. I'm going out with the ginchiest girl with the ginchiest hair at Riverdale High. Best song ever. Come on, Snake, let's rattle.
Okay.
Yeah. I got a strong, sweet honey bee. Oh, what a feeling from it's
Betty, is everything all right? Whoa, Betty.
Something's not.
Betty! 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 Oh. Someone get some help! Betty's having some kind of fit! Someone call the hospital! Oh, God, Betty!
No one could guess how a young girl like Betty, so full of life, would just drop dead. Then again, maybe the town's coroner will have the answers.
So young, so beautiful, and what a fascinating hairstyle. Oh my. What have we here? No. No! Please, no! No, anything but spiders!
Turns out Betty's hair attracted more than just boys. A black widow spider had crawled into her tresses that night and laid a batch of eggs in that ginchy hive of hers. And when those itsy-bitsy spiders hatched, they chewed into her brain, which is what triggered Betty's deadly diner bug out. Poor sweet Betty. She had to learn her lessons the hard way. Beauty is only skin deep, and vanity kills.
Beauty is only skin deep? Vanity kills? Are these actually different lessons or variations on a theme? And what's wrong with wanting to look good? Boys do the same thing. They toss weights around to turn themselves into He-Men. At any rate, by my count, you're down to your last story, and I still haven't had a starring role in one.